Imagine a beast so massive, so ancient, that it dwarfs not just our sun, but our entire solar system. Meet TON 618, the largest known black hole in the observable universe. Now, what if this cosmic titan suddenly entered our Milky Way? Or worse, our solar system? TON 618 is an ultramassive black hole, about 66 billion times the mass of our sun. That's not a typo. It's 66 billion suns compressed into one unimaginable point. Its event horizon, the point of no return, spans over 390 billion kilometers. That's beyond Pluto's orbit. It could literally swallow our entire solar system whole. In 618 lives over 10 billion light-years away, at the center of a distant quasar, and it's been devouring matter for billions of years. So what if TON 618 entered the Milky Way? If TON 618 somehow entered the Milky Way, the galactic balance would collapse. Even our supermassive black hole, Sagittarius A, at the center of the Milky Way, would be nothing in comparison. Just 4 million solar masses. TON 618 could disrupt star orbits, trigger black hole mergers, cause massive gamma-ray bursts, literally eat Sagittarius A like a snack. The entire core of the Milky Way might collapse into it over time. What if TON 618 entered our solar system? Now here's the real nightmare. If TON 618 entered our solar system, everything we know, planets, moons, the sun itself, would be doomed. First, its gravitational pull would cause extreme tidal forces. Planets would be ripped apart, moons torn from orbit, Earth's crust would quake, oceans would rise violently, and the atmosphere would tear away. Eventually, everything, including light, would fall into the event horizon. We would be erased from the universe. And the worst part, we might not even see it coming until it's too late. A black hole doesn't emit light. By the time we saw TON 618, if it wasn't glowing from feeding, it might already be rewriting the laws of physics in our sky. Could this ever happen? Luckily, TON 618 is incredibly far away. At 10.4 billion light-years, it's not coming for us anytime soon. But the thought experiment reveals just how fragile our cosmic home is and how tiny we are in the grand scale of the universe. Thanks for watching. Please like this video to support me.